Today's lesson will focus on the topic of Russian nominative plural. In English, forming the plural is as simple as adding s to the end of the noun. However, in Russian, things are a bit more complicated. So, how exactly do we form the plural form of a noun in Russian? The key is to always pay attention to the ending. If the word ends with a, replace it with y. If it ends with a hard consonant, simply add y. For example, студент, a student, студенты, students. Президент, a president, президенты. Момент, моменты, a moment, moments. Стол, столы, a table, tables. Диван, диваны, couch, couches. Компьютер, компьютеры, computer, computers. Телефон, телефоны, a telephone, telephones. If the word ends with ya, replace it with e. If it ends with a soft consonant, soft sign, or y, add e. For example, дядя, дяди, uncle, uncles. Семья, семьи, family, families. Бой, бои, a fight, fights. If the word ends with o, replace it with a. If the word ends with ye, replace it with ya. Let's look through some examples. Окно, окна, a window, windows. Место, места, a place, places. Здание, здания, building, buildings. Here are our beloved exceptions. G, k, h, j, sh, ch, sh. They always give e in the ending. Here are some examples. Пирог, пироги. A pie, pies. Дорога, дороги. A road, roads. Круг, круги. A circle, circles. And here are some more exceptions with our already familiar words. Брат, братья, a brother, brothers. Сестра, сестры, a sister, sisters. Друг, друзья, a friend, friends. Дом, дома, a house, houses. So this is the end of our today's lesson. See you next class.